Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm gonna show you how to make a really cool paper airplane. Check it out. See? This is the one I just designed, and here's how it flies. Whoa, did you see that? I have another one right here. Whoa. Alright, wanna learn how to make it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm going to use a 6-inch square of Kami, but you can probably use a sheet of printer paper cut square. Okay, so let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. This model is actually related to that other plane that I taught in this video. Okay, unfold. And fold to the crease, but we're just gonna make a couple crease marks. Just one here, and one there. Unfold, and fold to the crease marks. And this time you can fold all the way across. Alright, and repeat all that on this side. So fold to the middle, just make a couple crease marks. And fold to the crease marks. And fold all the way across. Alright, and now let's make the famous airplane fold, so fold to the crease. Okay, and now fold this up. It's really to taste, but maybe about like this is good. Okay, and now we're going to fold this point somewhere on the middle crease. And this is really to taste, but I say maybe about like that. And repeat on this side. You can take this point and bring it to this point. And now we're going to take this little flap and we're going to fold it up like this. Okay, and now it's mountain fold the whole thing in half. Okay, and now take this edge and fold it to this edge. And turn over, and take this edge and fold it to here. Okay, and this will fly pretty good just like this, but I'm going to show you a version that I came up with to make it look cooler. Just take this flap and fold it up just a little bit like that. Not really that important, but about like that. Crease sharply. And repeat on this side. Just fold up just a tad, just like this. Alright, and there it is. This is a paper airplane that I kind of came up with, like when I was little, I think. And I came up with this step to make the wings look cooler, to make it fly cooler. And alright, now I'm going to show you how to fly it. Alright, so to fly this paper airplane, I'm just going to hold it on the bottom here. I'm going to throw it just like this. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to do it a couple more times. Ooh. I think it's really cool how it turns like that. Okay, one more time. Ooh yeah. It's a pretty cool paper airplane. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and enjoy flying your paper airplane. And make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys with another tutorial out soon. Alright, bye bye.